spacious looking living area, and this is a nice kitchen area that's been given. This is a nice big spacious looking master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Mittal Elenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is located at Kogilu Main Road, North Bangalore. So we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform where the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So talking about the project, so this project Mittal Elenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is located at Kogilu Main Road, North Bangalore. It is going to be developed on 1.5 acres of land parcel having ground plus 13 floors. Now talking about the location, so this is situated at Kogilu Main Road, which is in North Bangalore. And when we talk about the connectivity, so Kogilu metro station is just 800 meters from this project, as well as if you talk about schools and colleges, so just within a reach of 200 meters to up to 4 to 5 kilometers, you get good schools and colleges as well. When we talk about healthcare, hospitals, so just within a reach of 3 to 4 kilometers, we get hospitals at an easy connectivity. Also, when we talk about malls, so just within a reach of 4 to 5 kilometers, you get good malls as well, like Galleria Mall, Garuda Mall, etc. And when we talk about business hubs, so just within a reach of 3 to 8 kilometers, you get good business hubs as well. So like employment opportunities are also great over here. And now let's talk about the amenities part. So this project offers you 16 plus amenities like multi-purpose court, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, sky games room, a jogging track, senior citizen area, pets corner, as well as many more wonderful amenities. So without any delay, let's go and see how the project is. Let's go. So right now I'm standing outside the 3 BHK sample flat of Mittal Elenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is of 1620 square feet. So without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we come inside, this is a nice beautiful passage area, and here you can see like a welcome to our home side is given. So this is how exactly you can also customize and design it as per your requirements. And this is the beautiful spacious looking living area. How beautiful is it? Like you have this separate seating area, you have a separate dining area, and here is your TV section, your showcase section. So that's really very beautiful. And wow, look at this, a wide, big, huge looking balcony which gives you the nice city view from here. So that's really very great, and you can just have a great time sipping your chai, coffee in the morning or evening time or any time. And you can also obviously customize such a big balcony as per your creative ideas as well. And now let's go and see the kitchenette area. So an open kitchenette area has been given, so this makes the house look even more luxurious and spacious. And this is a nice kitchen area that's been given. This is how exactly you can also customize your kitchenette area. And there we go and see the utility area as well. A nice utility area has been given with enough cabins. It has been given, so you can just store your utilities, different storage items. And as you can see, a stainless steel sink has been provided here as well. So that's really nice. Doubled stainless steel sinks have been provided. And now let's go and see the bedroom area. So as we go from here, you can see a nice passage area has been given over here. So passage area is also very much important. It makes the house look even more bigger. And now firstly, we'll see the washroom number 1. A nice spacious washroom has been given. Anti-skid tiles have been given. High-end sanitary fittings have been given. So that's really very nice. And right opposite to this, let's head to bedroom number 1. This bedroom has been customized and made like a study or an office kind of a space, but obviously you can customize it as per your requirements and needs. This has been customized very beautifully. As you can see, wide French windows have been given. So like, wide French windows give house that luxurious feel. So that's also very much important and does count as well. And now let's go and head to the bedroom number 2. So yes, now we head to the bedroom number 2. Nice, big, spacious bedroom number 2 has been given over here as well. A wardrobe area has been given here. Here also you get the similar kind of French sliding windows. And let's go and see the washroom area. Anti-skid tiles have been given, high-end sanitary fittings have been given as well over here. And now we head to the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. We give you the sample flat tour as well. We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, including EMI and down payment details. We also give you pros and cons of every project. And lastly, we give you 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? Well, if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can book the project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. So quickly go and book your free site visit now. And now let's head to the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. Wow, this is a nice, big, spacious looking master bedroom, beautifully designed. You can see the wardrobe here has also been designed very beautifully. This is how exactly you can design your wardrobe as well. And a nice view you can enjoy from here, especially if you're on the higher floor. So you're also like wide French sliding windows have been given. And now let's go and see the washroom area. Wow, as per the master bedroom, so a wide, spacious looking washroom area has been given as well. A window has been given for your ventilation as well. Anti-skid tiles have been given. High-end sanitary fittings have been given. So that's really very important as well. So yes, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Mittal Ellenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is located in Kogulu Main Road, North Bangalore. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can quickly go and download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. Also, if you want more details about this project or any other project, you can go and register yourself on Housey.com. I will meet you in another video. Until then, stay subscribed to Housey for more details and more updates.
So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Mittal Ellenza, located in Kogulu Main Road by Mittal Universal Group. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.